Akala ko'y di pa handang muling dumibok ang damdamin, ngunit bigla kang dumating sa buhay ko. Di kailangang umimik, nagdadaldalan lang sa tingin. Saan ka ba nanggaling? Bakit ngayon lang?
You have to get up.
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko rin nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangakong hindi ka iiwanan at hindi babayaan. O anong saya ang nadarama.
Okay, we will.
Walang
I want
kailangang
that.
baguhin.
That's the truth, Ate
Ang
Lainey.
ginawa para
Wait,
sa
ako.
isa.
994. You can feel like the train ako, Becky.
Buti na lang
Totoo. Totoo talaga.
ko naman na ikaw ay darating. Okay, tagal
Gina, let's work.
My name is Jade.
My name is Jeff.
Go.
We tell us the truth, 9944
4455.
5522. Except Isaac. Who is the second? That you want, that you like here. Except the girls, just the boys.
ginawa
Go.
para sa isa't isa.
The truth.
Di kailangang magmadali.
Easy question.
Buti na
Marco,
lang
because he's really good at cooking.
pinilit.
It's easy, you gotta change it, come on.
Na
Yeah, easy
ikaw
question,
ay
Ate Maymay.
darating. Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal
Marco, she never liked us.
There's an antenna.
na makapiling ka.
Then there's kisses.
Oh, that's better than beautiful.
Maybe it's something that it's really touched her in the heart. Maybe something
Maybe she likes you. Maybe she likes you.
I don't know, but the thing that I mean that I heard
It's hard to know when to. So you don't have to do anything now. Just talk to her like normal. Girls are complicated, bro. You could live 100 lifetimes and never understand them. Let's go.
iiwanan at hindi mo babayaan. O anong saya ang nadarama.
Pero ilang sandali pa, kinausap na rin nito si Heaven.
All of that just felt really weird. Everything that just.
Walang kailangan
Because for me, if I go on a date,
ang ginawa
it's not just
para sa isa't isa.
go on a date with a girl that I don't have
Di
feelings for.
kailangan
That's it. It just
magmadali.
feels weird.
Buti na lang di pinilit. Alam ko naman na ikaw ay darating. Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko rin nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangakong hindi ka iiwanan at hindi pababayaan. O anong saya ang nadarama. O heto ako ngayon iyong-iyo. Bago mag-alala, nais kong malaman mo. Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko ring nangarap na makapiling ka, o Akala ko'y di pa handang muling tumibok ang damdamin, ngunit bigla kang dumating sa buhay ko.
Ganda mo.
Edward?
Muling tumibok ang damdamin, ngunit bigla kang dumating.
When I go back to Germany for like the first, was it 3 months?
I want to see it.
We're just gonna binge watch it.
We should watch together.
You're gonna go to Germany?
No, everyone.
You're gonna come with me to Germany?
Ala, patay, hindi ko mabasa.
Akala ko'y di
Dikit-dikit eh.
Bumilis ang tibok ng puso ko nung unang araw na nakilala
ngunit
kita.
bigla kang dumating
Okay, isa to. Di ba
buhay
ano
ko.
tama?
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap, okay, tagal ko ring nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangako